use of the Callidus software has helped us track employee performance better. We're better able to identify which employees are driving which products successfully and make sure we have the right employees in the right role. I think that's helped significantly to our success as a company. One of the reasons we purchased TrueMBO was to get more consistency in setting objectives. Historically, setting objectives was done via email-based processes, and objectives weren't always set and objectives weren't always in harmony with our corporate strategy. So by purchasing TrueMBO, we were able to align management objectives, sales rep objectives with corporate strategy and ensure that objectives get set each month. We've been able to use TrueMBO for different sales teams, and the flexibility of the product has allowed us to use it for everybody where we want to pay them on key sales objectives and pay them for their performance. The main thing TrueMBO has done for Novell is align objectives to our corporate strategy. That's definitely the key achievement from that software. But we've seen other benefits. We've seen consistency on how objectives are set across sales teams throughout the organization. It's also provided a great corporate repository for basically payments made through the system. We can go back and say, why did we pay this person? Why did we pay this person? As far as their goals, what goals were met. I think the biggest advantage of TrueMBO, though, is I think it has definitely aligned pay with performance more than previously. We have definitely seen a cost savings from using TrueMBO. Prior to TrueMBO, the process was very unstructured, and a lot of times objectives weren't set clearly, so the resulting performance was set at 100%. Under TrueMBO, it's a much more structured process, more visibility to the data, and we've definitely seen attainments that are based more on performance than a default number. So we've definitely seen a cost savings from using TrueMBO. TrueComp has allowed us to change our comp plans in a much quicker fashion. Historically, it took us a long time to implement comp plan changes. The software industry changes very quickly, and comp plan changes are part of that industry. So to be able to react quickly, TrueComp has been a huge benefit in that area. We've been able to make comp plans sometimes immediately going forward, which has helped us a lot. TrueComp has definitely improved the accuracy of our payments. Historically, when things were based more on spreadsheets, just the manual process itself would lead to errors. TrueComp, we've found that any rule we can put into the system, it'll calculate correctly. As long as the data is good, TrueComp will take care of everything else. Technical support was the primary reason we went to on-demand for our partner payment program. It allowed us to implement the product and manage it without significant technical resources. Historically, we have had to maintain specific technical resources with Callidus knowledge. And by going on demand, we're able to deliver the same services without having to retain specific technical knowledge in-house.